dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu said that kidnappers must be treated as terrorists. Moving on, we have the former president Olusegun Obasanjo said that unemployment is fueling the rising spate of banditry and kidnappings in Nigerians. Alright, my people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as they hot. In case it's your first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and also remember to turn notification bell so that anytime we drop our news, now you could be the first to watch. Alright, my people, you know, say for this country, as they break, na so tori dey in Africa. But make una no vex, I go dey bring una that the tori one after the other. I say they come our way. Now the matter what don carry come give una be say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don come out come talk say individual involved in kidnapping must be treated as terrorists. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who spoke at the Ramadan dinner with member of the Federal Judiciary led by H0t Ariwola, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, said that he condemned the reprehensive acts perpetrated by the kidnappers across the country. In his statements by H0t, the presidential spokesperson, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu said that those who resort to kidnapping children are cowards and they are incapable of confronting the might of the Nigerian armed forces, that he must treat kidnappers as terrorists. Because they are cowardly, they have been degraded, they even look for soft targets, that they go to school and kidnap children, and they also cause disaffection, that they must treat them equally as terrorists in order to get rid of them. So right now, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have promised Nigerians that he's going to get rid of those kidnappers. My people, don't be small matter. I hope they implement it this time around, honestly, because waiting this regime don't do us anything when they talk now, we know they believe them again. Even the masses are tired of their promises. Right now, on the review of the salary of the judiciary officers, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu pledged that his administration would continue to implement necessary reforms to improve the welfare and working condition of the judiciary officers. So he recognized that the judiciary has one of the most unrewarded responsibilities, that they are yet to modernize equipment and record keeping, and their progress towards improvement is slow. That when he look at the career path of the judiciary officer, that they cannot practice the vocation for which they were trained after retirement. So while the farmers of the law may have their reasons, so he perceived this differently and have seen this from a fair compensation angle, that they should benefit all. So President Bola Tinubu expressed gratitude to the judiciary for the dedicated service to the nation and for upholding the respectability of the judiciary arms of the government. So President Bola Tinubu has assured us that they are going to continue to support one another and bring Nigeria to that glorious dawn. My people, don't be small matter. This is coming out from a country that treats terrorists as VIP. Why the real terrorists are treated as kings and are recruited into the arm and tag them at repentant Boko Haram. I pray they implement this, because the masses already know that most of these terrorists are being sponsored by our top politicians. So saying that they're going to treat them as terrorists, my dear, they have to start from evacuating those that are sponsoring this banditry in this country. As it stands now, it's easier to say, but the said kidnappers are flaunting stack of Naira note on TikTok with anonymous username and still haven't been apprehended. Because my people now for this country, they no say that they free them like repentant Boko Haram. Things fall apart. Just imagine, terrorists will be pardoned and released after claiming repentance. What a joke. How is President Bola Tinubu going to do that? Because most of all these terrorists are being given amnesty. They have been flaunting their ransom money online on different social media. They have phones which can be tracked and monitored. Yet, every day we keep saying the same thing. We keep hearing kidnapping from different countries. They can't do that. Now the masses, they tell President Bola Tinubu, say make they show us the kidnapper way they don't treat as terrorists. Because the way they see how terrorists they treat them for this country, be say they are said to be rehabilitated. They go recruit them into police and give them money to start life again. Now so they wanted to treat them, because they said the government talks done too much, that their talks is more than their action. Honestly, the president's statement reflect the escalating concern over the prevalence of kidnapping in Nigeria. By categorizing kidnappers as terrorists, there is a clear indication of the severity of the issue and the need for a robust response to ensure the safety and security of the people. Honestly, because that is what exactly they are. So the government should do the needful. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. The former president Olusegun Obasanjo said unemployment is fueling the rising spate of banditry and kidnapping in Nigeria. He stated this at the 9th International Trade Exhibition and Conference on Agro-Food, Plastic, Printing and Packaging in Lagos on Tuesday. Olusegun Obasanjo said, if we are able to achieve employment, that it will improve our security, that part of our insecurity are men and women that are not engaged, that are not properly engaged, that if we are able to give them employment, there will be less of them getting involved in banditry, in kidnapping, and in doing various other criminal activities that they get involved in. The former president, who described himself as a madman for agriculture, said that there was need to promote agribusiness for food security, nutrition security, employment, wealth creation, poverty elimination, and income generation, particularly foreign exchange. So he noted that the drive towards food security in the country must encapsulate food availability, affordability, and accessibility. That a friend of his said to him that he must be a madman, that he asked him what he meant with that words, and he told him that if he was not a madman, that he would not have gone into agriculture. So he told himself that he's a madman for agriculture, that when it has to do with agriculture, that he can be sure that when you call on him, he will answer. Moreover, food security starts with availability, that we must be able to produce enough. Then there is affordability, that we must be able to get everybody who needs food to be able to get the food that they need. Then there is accessibility, that we must get food to where it is needed. So almost 40% of our food go to waste after cultivation. So food security, nutrition security makes agriculture important. Olusegun Obasanjo noted that one of the most potent means of curbing youth immigration, unemployment, and security is to get more young people to embrace agriculture. He lamented that Nigerian youth often prefer to exploit opportunity in the entertainment industry, which underscored the need to make agriculture more glamorous. The former president called on policy makers at all levels to ensure policy consistency that would allow farmers to get short and long-term targets without worrying about possible policy somersaults which may thwart their plan. Obasanjo said a key part of this involved making single-digit loan available to farmers, as no agribusiness can produce profitably with double-digit loans. Is employment. What can you do to give them enough employment at home? The area that is sure to provide employment for the teeming youth population is agriculture. When you talk about agriculture, not many of them will want to come to the farm. They will rather go into the music that they do know. So we have to make agriculture glamorous, because these youths, they make money that way through music. And if you are asking them to come to the farm, they won't do that. They don't want to do that. That is the truth. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to with us. Really do appreciate it. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your awareness. Stay safe, guys. Bye.